Ah, Ducky. A perfect harvest day. Time to get these mangoes, Ducky. Ready? Walk! Perfect. These are juicy. No, Ducky, no yet. These are for later. Easy pickings, little farmer. My turn now, little farmer. Hey! Thief! Delicious. Thanks. We'll outsmart him, Ducky.
Quickly, Ducky, quickly!
Ooh, what's he up to now? Just perfect, Ducky. He won't know. Foolish farmer. All mine.
Gotcha! No! My mangoes!
These are not yours, Sly. Curse you, little farmer! Good job, Ducky! We did it! Home at last, Ducky! Good night, Ducky! Good night, mangoes!
Yum-um. Good morning, Ducky. Oh no, I'm stuck! Uh-oh. That's Penny. She sounds in trouble. Come on, Ducky. To the ditch, quick!
All right, Penny, we're coming. Max! I can't get it out. Don't worry, Penny. I've got a plan. Grab on, Penny. You can do it.
Easy does it. Almost there.
Thank you, Max. You saved me.
Whew. That was a close one, Penny.
Good food tastes even better with friends.
Another day, another adventure.
Another perfect farm morning. Quack, quack. We've got work to do, Ducky.
That's not right. The cow.
Too heavy.
My small muscles are no match.
We need something big, something strong.
Ha ha! The mighty digging beast. Perfect.
Almost there. Just a little push.
Look out, Mud! Max is coming!
Okay, Betsy, don't worry, Max is here.
Steady, Max, steady. Almost got it.
Push, Betsy, push! You can do it!
Yes.
You're free, Betsy. Oh, Betsy, so much mud. We can't have you like this.
Come on, Betsy. Time for a bath. Ducky, to the cleaning station.
Perfect. Now for the sparkle treatment.
Easy does it, Betsy. Almost clean. Sparkling clean. See, Betsy?
Almost done, Betsy. Almost a brand new cow.
Ta-da! Good as new. Oh, Betsy. You're welcome.
Another job well done, Ducky. Teamwork makes the farm work. That's how we roll here. Always ready for an adventure.